Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to trade order blocks. Let's start now. This is USD chart. The trend is in uptrend here. So it failed to make new high. It means the market may break this level at any time. And there is a order block here. This candle. So there is a rejections also from the same level. Okay. Okay. So I placed a lower option trade. Because I am seeing a strong upper rejection and a engulfing pattern from this level. So it failed to make a new high. It is an uptrend, but it failed to make new high means the market may break this level. This level means the market may break this level at any time. So and I saw a upper rejection, a engulfing pattern in this candle means the sellers are interested in the market. So from this point, I can expect a downtrend at least for this point, or at least it may break this level too. That's why I placed here a lower option trade. So you can see already some sellers entered from this point to this point. Okay. Okay. So this is a winning trade. So it is a order block candle. It broke this level and it is rejecting continuously from the same point means the market is getting support here. That's why I placed my trade here, a lower option trade. Okay. So I placed a lower option trade because I will show you here. So it is a level. So I placed my trade here from this point because the market wants to break the level. That's why I placed my trade here, a lower option trade. Okay. So it is a winning trade because the market reversed from the order block. Okay. It is the order block area already we know. So a small candle followed by a long candle and it broke below and the market reversing from the order block area. So it is getting support. It is getting support continuously. That's why I placed my trade with the sellers. So I'm checking it in lower time frame. So if you observe, there is a level. It is a level. So it is order block area. We already know. Okay. But it broke this level strongly. So there is no proper confirmation. Okay. So there is a confirmation now. Okay. But this might be a late entry if I enter here. Okay, no problem. I will try to avoid it because I'm not sure on this trade because of this lower rejection. So there is a confirmation, but here we are seeing a strong candle breakout. So sometimes the market may break this level if you are seeing this type of long candle. Okay. So a breakout, a breakout in the market. Okay. So a breakout of this level and a reversal of from this point. Again, the market started to go up. So the next level is here. Okay. So there is no proper level here to take trade. I will try to change my pair. Okay. So this level, it rejected already from the same point. So there are some strong rejections and a seller's entry. I missed this trade. So a breakout of this strong level and reverse from this point. So this order block area. Okay. So this candle, there is a strong level and there is a rejection from this point. I missed this trade. So let me check if I get any opportunity. So there is a new low in the market. This is the previous low. This is a new low. I think I may get opportunity. Okay. So I mean this opportunity too. So let me check another level. So this level already we know. This point. So the market is getting support continuously from this point. So it is the order block zone we already know. Okay. Yeah, so the order block is here. This small red candle. So here if you are observing, the market is making highs here. So it means the market may break this level easily because it is moving like this. So it's better to avoid to take trade now because it already rejected and it is reversing in the middle like this. So it's better to avoid. So we need a lower low in the market from this point. Then only we can take trade. Okay. So there is no lower low. We are seeing higher highs and higher lows continuously. So there is no proper confirmation to take trade. Okay. So I think I may get one opportunity here. Okay. So I wanted to place a lower option trade because the market again entered into this order block zone, and in this candle, if you observe, it failed to make new high. So that's why I wanted to place my trade here because of this engulfing candle, but but it is very late. That's why I didn't place my trade. Okay. So it made a low, but it didn't made low. Okay, now it made low. Okay. So I will try to place my trade. Okay, I think I missed this trade. Okay, so it is very late entry. So I wanted to place my trade here, at least here, because there is a trend line, this trend line. But I placed my trade here. Let me see what happens. Okay, I think it may give me a winning trade because it made a low already. Okay, so this is a winning trade because the market is making lows and the market reversed from the order block zone. That's why I placed my trade here. So it is my luck. Okay. So the order block candle is here, this candle, and the market is making highs continuously. Again, it made a new high. So the market may get support here. If it come to this level, I will try to place my trade here. So here I need a strong confirmations like this, a strong upper rejections like this at least, or a strong engulfing candle. Then only I will try to place my trade. Otherwise, I will avoid. Okay. It enter into the level. So there is a confirmation, but I can't take it as a confirmation because it is not a hammer candlestick. Okay. So now I saw a hammer candlestick. Okay. So I placed here a higher option trade because I saw a hammer candlestick and a type of engulfing pattern. This is not a engulfing candle because there is a strong upper rejection, but because of this candle only I placed my trade here. Now I am seeing an engulfing pattern. Okay, let's see what happens here. Okay. Okay. Only sellers only entering. So I am seeing a strong buyer center here, but these buyers are not enough, I think, because still I am seeing a seller entry. Okay. So now, okay, it failed here. So my prediction is correct, but it failed. Sometimes it happens, we no need to worry because we have so many opportunities to recover our loss. Okay, we are seeing a momentum. It's better to avoid to take trade in this momentum. Yeah, so I missed this trade. There is a new low in the market and there is a order block here. I think I missed this trade. So there is a order block and we are seeing a seller entry from the same order block and it made a new low too. I think it will give me a winning trade if I enter at least from this point. Okay. Okay, so at least from this point is good. So it made a low. That's why I wanted to place my trade here, a lower option trade, but it didn't give me a proper entry point to take trade. Okay. And here we have a order block candle, but the market is in downtrend. So it is making lows like this means we should not place our trade. Instead, we should wait till market break this level. Then it's better to place our trade here for lower option trade. Okay. So from this point, it rejected already, reversed. So I will try to check another pairs. Okay, I have few pairs only to take trade. Okay, I will wait. I think I may get one opportunity here. Okay, I made this trade. So it is order block candle and there is a level I wanted to place my trade here, but at last second I did place. Okay. So after this candle, I will try to place my trade. Okay. So it broke this level. So here we don't have an opportunity. So no opportunity. I think it broke this level. I think I may get one opportunity here. So the market is making Here it is making higher highs and higher lows. So if it come to this level, I will place my trade. Okay. Okay, it failed to make new high. So I will place my trade after this candle. If it makes new high, then I will try to place my trade on the next candle from this band. Okay. Okay, there is a hammer candlestick. Okay, there is an engulfing pattern. So I place here higher option trade because I am seeing a strong buyer's entry from the order block area. Okay. So it is order block area. I saw a strong buyer's entry and this candle closed at the order block area. And I saw a lower rejection also, a strong lower rejection, hammer candlestick and a engulfing pattern. That's why I placed here a higher option trade. Okay. Yeah. We have 5 seconds. So this is a winning trade because this is the previous low. The market, it didn't break the previous low. It means still we have opportunity to place our trade. That's why I placed my trade here. Okay. So I placed 5 trades. One is losing trade. So sometimes we may lose. It's common. So everything is fine here. I saw confirmation candle on the engulfing pattern also, but it failed. Sometimes it happens, so we don't need to worry. But it will give us winning trade if you focus on confirmations and market movement and everything. And this is my first trade because of this level. So because of this candle, it broke this level and it is getting support continuously. And this is my second trade from the same point. I saw here, I saw here a trend line. So I saw here a trend line and I'm seeing here a new lows in the market. I was seeing here a new lows in the market. That's why I placed my trade here. And this is a losing trade. And this is my fourth trade. Because here as well, it reverts from the order block area and I was seeing here a new lows in the market and a trend line. That's why I placed my trade here. And this is my last trade because the candle closed at the order block area after breakout and it is in the middle, and from this point I saw a strong rejection and a buyer's entry. That's why I placed my trade here. A engulfing pattern too. So a engulfing candle too. That's why I placed my trade here because it didn't make new low. If it make new low, then from this point better to place a lower option only. So for example, if it makes new low like this, then from this point we will place a lower option trade only, not a higher option trade. It will not work if you place here a higher option trade. So because of market momentum, so always draw the order blocks areas and place your trade like this. Then you will get some good opportunities. It will give you more than 80-90% winning ratio every time if you focus on right point, right levels. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, like, share.